Today, we're diving into ExDocs, India's first AI-backed cloud-based export documentation platform. What if you could create all your export documents in minutes? Have you ever struggled with export documentation? You're not alone. Many exporters and importers face these challenges daily. We created ExDocs to alleviate these pain points and streamline the process. Let's explore how ExDocs works. Our platform simplifies documentation, making it easier for you to manage your exports. With over a decade of experience in this industry, we understand what exporters need. First, here's an overview of ExDocs. The interface is user-friendly and efficient, allowing you to navigate through different sections with ease. Next, the AI autofill functionality saves you time by automatically filling in necessary details, eliminating tedious data entry. We also feature production and job work tracking, enabling you to manage your production needs directly through ExDocs, keeping everything organized. Another crucial aspect is our payments and invoicing system, which ensures a seamless financial process for your exports. No more missed invoices or delayed payments. Additionally, our platform includes inventory management and import sections to help you keep your stock in check. Lastly, we offer multi-tenancy and subscription options to accommodate various business needs. Choose a plan that works for you. In summary, ExDocs transforms how export documentation is handled in India by simplifying processes, saving time, and enhancing efficiency. Ready to try ExDocs? Sign up for 14 days free trial now on exdocs.io and start your journey toward easier export documentation.